Enabling two-factor authentication on Venmo adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the upper left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Security. In the Settings menu, look for the Security option. Tap on it to view the security settings for your account. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Find the option for two-factor authentication and toggle it on. You may be prompted to enter your password for verification. Step 5. Choose your verification method. Select your preferred method for receiving the authentication code, such as via SMS or an authentication app. Follow the prompts to complete the setup. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be enabled on your Venmo account, enhancing your security.